Malvika. I'm from class 9C. My roll is 27.
So, battery.
And I'm from R.N. Podar school. This is my Sanskrit project. The topic of my project is Sanskrit Patrika, that is the Sanskrit magazine. On the very first page I have Sanskrit Vandana, that is the Sanskrit prayer. On the second page I have Katha, that is a story with a moral. And I've even translated the moral in English. Then I have shlokas, 5 shlokas with their meaning in English. Then I have sukti with their meaning also in English. Suktis are sayings like Satyameva Jayate. Then I have Prahelika, they are the puzzles. And I have its answer key on the next page, this one. After this, the last, I have Niti Shlokaha, which are the moral stories, moral sayings or good sayings. And this is the end of my project. I have searched for this everywhere, like in the library, on the net. I have Googled, of course I have Googled it. I asked my sir, he helped me a lot. My parents helped me. And my tuition teacher helped me. And even I have done a lot of work behind this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Simran Jawar and this is my Sanskrit project. I study at R.N. Podar school in 9C and this is my Sanskrit project and its name is Abhivyakti, that means different perspective. On the first page I have Saraswati Vandana, then and on the second page I have second and third page I have the Katha, that is Shanti Dutaha Kapotaha. And on the fourth and fifth page, on the fourth page I have Hasya Golkani, that are the jokes. And on the fifth page I have Prahelika, that are the riddles with their answers. On the sixth page I have an ad, I've showed an ad of Him Gange Chavanprash. And on the 8th page I have Niti Shlokas, that are good sayings. The first one is while studying. The second one is just like roaming around, and the third one is while going to your elders. Then on the second last and last page I have the Sankhya-vachak Shabd from 1 to 10. So and this is the end of my project. I have searched it for everywhere, like I took help from sir, I took help from my sister, and also searched on net and also some books. So basically, thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya. I am from class 9C studying in R.N. Podar school. This is my Sanskrit project which we had submitted in the month of June. It is the Sanskrit Patrika, that is Sanskrit magazine. Here we have the first page with the title and a picture of our goddess Saraswati. Then we have the Saraswati Shlokas. Then a Saraswati Vandana, that is a prayer to goddess Saraswati. These are Niti Shlokaha on the next page. They are good sayings, good lines with good sayings. Then there are Subhashit Mala, again good sayings. Here we have some pictures of some gods. The next page we have some common actions in Sanskrit, that are kriyas, what they are called in Sanskrit. Then we have the Katha, that is the story. The Katha has pictures also. It's about a duck and a crow. Then we have some other shlokas like for success, for improving our memory, before having food, and for curing diseases. These shlokas are useful and we must practice them. This is the last page. There has been a lot of hard work that has gone into making this Sanskrit project. I am grateful to my library for providing me with a lot of good books for reference. Also to my Sanskrit teacher for helping me with the translations I couldn't figure out. And my parents also have supported me a lot. Thank you.
So, good morning and hello there. My name is Dhanvin and I'm from 9C. This is my Sanskrit project, my Sanskrit Patrika, which I had submitted in June 2013. So firstly, I just touched a few pictures of Goddess Saraswati, who's also the bestower of all wisdom. And yeah, firstly Sanskrit Vandana, which is one of the most important things. When this gives, before starting to study, if we say this, we shall study really easily. So this is the Vandana, and I have given the translation in Hindi. And then these are some of the stories which I have written and which have really good moral values. And then about the shlok, these are some of the shlok which also give us good moral values, such as this liberates us from our ignorance, and it gives us, it helps us to reach God, or else it makes us enlightened. And this is the shloka which we should say before starting any new activity, so that all the difficulties are gone away, and such as saying like this. And then these are suktiyas, which are good sayings, and I have given few examples. And then now we come to Niti Shloka, which are also good sayings but in the form of a shlok. And then I come to Prahelika, which are riddles, which let your mind think. So this is basically my whole Sanskrit project. For writing this, I took the help of my school library, which helped me a lot, and I also took the help of the internet, although there wasn't many sources. My parents helped me, and of course I cannot forget the innumerable effort, innumerable things which my sir did for me to complete this project, such as translations and word meanings and the meaning of the shlok. So I would like to thank him, and thank you.